This Openbravo video explains what it means for an ERP to be future-proof and demonstrates 3 ways in which Openbravo 3 has already proven itself future-proof today. Future-proof. What a funny term. Well, future-proof is about Openbravo's very serious commitment to protect our customers' ERP investment over the long term. We boil it down to 3 core ideas. The ability to include new technology, to easily add new functionality, and to provide full control over the upgrade process. Let's start by taking a look at how Openbravo incorporated some great new user interface technology in Openbravo 3. We'll do this by comparing the Openbravo 3 sales order screen to that same screen rendered in the previous release, which was 250. Let's add a new sales order with 2 lines in the previous release of Openbravo, which uses standard HTML technology. This is a fairly typical ERP user experience. Usable if you are well trained, but not highly productive or pleasurable to use. First, we click to open a new dialog to select the business partner. Then we tab over, enter part of the desired business partner name, remembering to key in a closing percentage symbol for the wildcard search, and click the search button. Double-click to select the business partner, which then gets loaded back to the sales order header screen. To start adding lines, we click on the Lines tab. We'll add 2 order lines using the same type of lookup window to find the desired products. Now we'll switch to grid view to see both lines on the same screen, and click back on the header to see our order totals. So that was entering an order in the previous release. Now let's enter an order in Openbravo 3 to see how the new UI technology helps user productivity. Notice that type ahead filtering is used to select information. In most cases, there is no need to call up a separate selector screen. After you select the business partner and click Save, Openbravo 3 lets you immediately enter order lines on the same screen. Did you notice how the order totals are automatically updated as you enter each line? Even with this trivial example, it is obvious that the new user interface technology really adds a big productivity boost. But just making better screens does not make an ERP future-proof. We need to take a brief look behind the technology curtain, where we find that model-driven development is the key. All standard Openbravo screens are dynamically rendered from Openbravo's application dictionary. This means that new technology can be efficiently added to all Openbravo screens simply by incorporating that new technology into the runtime engine. And guess what? An incredible mobile UI option is our next technology uplift. And when the next new must-have technology is ready, Openbravo will be able to quickly and easily add it to the platform as well. We can't predict all of the great new technology that is coming, but with Openbravo's model-driven platform, we know we'll be ready for it. Now, Openbravo does not just generate standard screens. For full flexibility, you can also create your own purpose-built manual screens that go beyond the capabilities of the standard screens, which is why we also provide backwards compatibility for the previous generation to ensure an easy transition to the new technology. But ERP is not just about technology. It also involves the ability to easily add new business functionality. Let's take a look at how easy it is to add new functionality in Openbravo. To add new functionality to Openbravo, access the Module Management screen and click on the Add Modules tab. The first step is to select a module to install. You can search for modules, but let's scroll through to give you an idea of what is available. Let's install the first module on the list, Accounting tab for Transactions, which adds a great accounting-related tab to Openbravo transaction screen. Optionally view the module details to make sure it is the module you want to install. Confirm the installation. Accept the license terms. And verify that the installation succeeded. The new module is now on your Installed Modules tab. To make it available to your users, execute a system rebuild, which automatically rebuilds all new or changed sources. A few minutes later, and the new functionality is available to be configured or directly used. It's really that easy. The hardest part is actually keeping track of all the great Openbravo modules that are available. Almost 400 at this point, with more added every week. You never know when a new piece of functionality, big or small, can help you take advantage of a new opportunity or further streamline your operations. But isn't adding new functionality to an ERP a huge risk? With legacy ERPs, a large risk of destabilizing the system certainly can exist. But Openbravo has made significant investments to create a change-ready ERP platform. The key is the modular architecture, which enables functionality to be added incrementally. Your users, line of business managers, and your executives will love the flexibility, and they will be amazed at the responsiveness that you're able to deliver with Openbravo. And don't worry, these next 3 platform features make it easy to keep your production ERP stable even as you add new functionality. The first is Openbravo's central repository, which enables easy distribution of modules from a single official source. No more CD-ROMs to install. With Openbravo, everything is available directly online. If your Openbravo partner has built a few custom modules for you, simply install those from the same module management screen by selecting the option to install from the file system. The Openbravo Central Repository provides a very sophisticated Scan for Updates feature, which tells you which of your installed modules have updates available and lets you click through to install them. Next is the robust dependency management system, which automatically installs dependent modules as needed. This feature ensures that a valid system configuration is always maintained and provides full transparency into all module dependencies, so you know exactly what will be installed before you initiate the process. Finally, the Module Lifecycle Management feature allows safety standards to be automatically enforced. For example, most people set their production ERP instance to only install modules and maintenance packs that have achieved the confirmed stable maturity status. This means that they have been out in the field for at least 40 days without a critical defect. The ability to easily and safely add new functionality is at the heart of why we call Openbravo 3 the Agile ERP. Whether you need to install a localization pack to use Openbravo in another language, or deploy a connector to your e-commerce system, or just add a simple module to improve user productivity, all of these platform features work together to ensure that adding new functionality is easy and trouble-free. Our last topic around future-proof brings it all back to the customer, who is always in full control over all incremental update and major upgrade processes. Let's demonstrate how easy it is for an Openbravo 250 customer to upgrade to Openbravo 3. The Module Management Scan for Updates feature automatically notifies you when a major upgrade is available. Be sure to read the on-screen instructions. Depending on your 250 configuration, a data migration process may need to be run before using your newly upgraded Openbravo 3 instance. All modules to be installed are listed. There's a lot going on under the covers with this upgrade, but it is all automated. Accept the license terms. And that's it. Depending on the size of your database, your upgraded Openbravo 3 instance can be available for configuration in as little as a few hours. Amazing. A major ERP upgrade process executed directly from the browser and fully automated. Whether you have chosen to deploy on-premise or in the cloud, as a customer, you retain full automated control with complete flexibility to upgrade when it makes sense for your business. Sound too good to be true? Let's take a look at some real-world Openbravo 3 upgrade results coming back from the field. Here's a quote from Openbravo partner Tier Software in Spain, who recently upgraded a company that installs solar panels. The most impressive part of my Openbravo 3 experience so far has been executing a migration major version upgrade without any difficulties. Normally, an ERP upgrade means panicked users who expect data loss, followed by technical issue after technical issue. In all honesty, it is the first time in my too long IT career that I have changed the version of a piece of enterprise software without any problem. And this in a matter of hours. Well done, guys. The Openbravo upgrade process really works. And this is not an isolated result. Here is what Jan-Hendrik Mensen, ClearDrop partner and managing consultant, has to say. ClearDrop have now upgraded all of our Openbravo clients with no major incidents. Without exception, they are all very happy to have moved to Openbravo 3. The customers have identified direct productivity benefits related to the multi-tab user interface, column filtering, direct in-grid editing, and the quick navigation and direct linking. We are all very impressed with the technology of the Openbravo platform, which has made this large leap in productivity and functionality relatively painless. It really works. With Openbravo, keeping customers happy every day is what a future-proof ERP is really all about. Well, that's all the future-proofing we have time for today. Remember, you don't have to be stuck in the past and stuck in the mud with a legacy ERP. We welcome you to explore the resources on the screen to learn more about Openbravo 3, the agile, future-proof ERP.